The ball joint connects the wishbone arm to the steering knuckle of the vehicle's wheel assembly. During driving, the ball joint is constantly moving as a result of the steering and damping. The ball joint is therefore subjected to wear. When it's worn out, it needs to be replaced. In this video, we will inform you about the Moog Easy Solution protection plate for ball joints. The steering knuckle has a cut in order to tighten the cylindrical ball stud. A bolt across the cut provides the tension and assures the ball stud to stay in position. The edges of the cut may damage the top of the ball joint dust boot and subsequently reduce the sealing performance. Damage to the dust boot can cause water and small particles such as sand to penetrate the ball pin housing, which leads to corrosion of the ball joint. As a result of this, the ball pin will fail prematurely and the ball joint must be replaced. Moog has added a plastic protection plate for these popular Renault ball joints. The protection plate provides a solid and smooth surface which avoids damage to the dust boot, ensuring improved sealing performance and a longer lifetime of the ball joint. The plastic plate has an installation guide on one side. Always use the guide to fit the ball joint within the steering knuckle in order to make sure that the protection plate remains in place.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.